Let's use the balance method to solve the equation. I have two boxes, each of the same weight, x. That must balance exactly 30 kg on the right-hand side. Since they are identical, each must weigh 15 kg. What have I done? I have halved 30. Let's use the balance method to solve this second equation. I have one box and add 5 kg on top of it. That must balance exactly 17 kg on the right-hand side. So I could remove 5 kg from both sides. That leaves us with x equals 12 kg. Let's use the balance method to solve this third equation. I have two boxes, each of the same weight, x, and add 5 kg on top of it. That must balance exactly 17 kg on the right-hand side. So I could remove 5 kg from both, and that leaves us with two boxes of x kg each equals 12 kg. Each box must weigh 6 kg. Let's try that again. Stop the video here and try this question. We could remove the 6 kg from the right hand side. That will leave us with 75 kg only. Each equals 25 kg. From now onwards, I'm going to use the balance method, but picture the balance in my head. I'm going to do the same operation to both sides until we manage to leave x by itself. For example, I subtract 8 from both sides of the equation, x equals 20. In this equation, I subtract 10 from both sides, x equals -5. In this third equation, we divide both sides by 4, x equals 11 over 4. X over 3 means x divided by 3, so I must multiply by 3 both sides. Minus 2 times 3 is -6. We must add 12 first and then divide by 5. I add 12 because I need to get rid of -12, and for that I need to add the opposite number. If 5x equals 32, 1x must be 32 over 5 or 6.4. The perimeter of the house-shaped model is 32x plus 7. If the perimeter is 55 meters, calculate the length 4x minus 2. So 32x plus 7 equals 55. So subtracting 7 and dividing by 32, x equals 1.5. Replacing x with 1.5, 4 times 1.5 minus 2 is 4 meters. Equations with x's and numbers on both sides require a bit more of manipulation, so this is what we are going to cover in our next lesson. Stay tuned. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!